Live a full life, expecting fewer quotes.
When Imam Ali, marching at the head of his army towards Syria, reached Anbar, the landlords of the place came out to meet him in seal of their love, faithfulness, and respect.
No sooner had they seen Imam Ali, they got down from their horses and started running in front of him.
Imam Ali asked the reason of their strange actions.
They replied that it was their custom to show their love and respect in that way.
Imam Ali replied, "By Allah, by your action you do no good whatsoever to your rulers, but you tire yourself and put yourself in toils in this world, and in trouble in the next.
How unfortunate is that exertion which brings harm here and in the hereafter, and how useful is that ease which keeps you in comfort in this world and away from the hell in the next. Recommended prayers cannot attain the pleasures of Allah for you, when obligatory prayers are left unattended. A wise man first thinks and then speaks, and a fool speaks first and then thinks. A fool's mind is at the mercy of his tongue, and a wise man's tongue is under the control of his mind.